Hello to myself and everybody else. This is video 143. So far in this one, we're still looking at the stuff from the FREECODECAMP video. And so far this time, we're looking at how to implement interface using abstract class in C++. And I'm just going to be straightforward with this one. This one will really have no information like the last few I did. Really with this, again, this is kind of another thing where I kind of did not understand what they were talking about with this. Basically, just the main thing is, again, we're still using abstraction and stuff. Basically, we have to still use pure virtual functions and everything, stuff like that too, in a base class. And basically with this, again, right here has the other information right here too, saying implement an interface and everything and stuff as well in C++. Basically, you need to declare a class with at least one pure virtual function, like we said before, and everything. Usually that's in the base class. To define abstract class interface is create classes that inherit from the abstract base class. Provide separate implementations and derive classes for each pure virtual function present in the abstract class. So basically that means, I think, make a function that's like in the base class in each inherited one, make sure they override. And if implementation for the pure virtual function is not provided in derived class, then it will also act as a base class. Basically saying like you do need like the same function in derived classes to basically inherit from it, or basically it will act like it's the base class. So again, it's kind of like making a few assumptions with that and everything too. Again, didn't fully understand it from the video on this. Basically, with this example and everything, stuff here and all that as well, just kind of showing the same thing. Base class and everything here has the virtual functions and everything in there, pure virtual functions. The inherited class and stuff as well, with their functions and stuff like that too, such like string and all that and stuff. Other class, same thing, other functions, different kind of parameters and everything. And then from there to basically do what they do around here. Again, like I said, a lot of stuff, again, still over my head, the explanation, everything stuff here. But again, me going into that, just be me just reading off, so not really going to do that. But basically, that's really it and everything and stuff as well. That was the whole thing. So far, that was the end of the C++ video on YouTube. So far, again, it was pretty good from beginning. Once it hit the last two chapters, it kind of started going downhill and started losing me a bit. But from there, again, at least I learned like the basics of C++. There is still a lot of stuff I got to go back and review, but other than that, I'm at least done. So far, what I'm probably going to do is basically just go over to W3 schools and just like, they have like a certification there. I'm probably like review and then do that and everything. And from that, I'm probably not really going to make any more like C++ videos unless I like do like a project or something. And I just need to document that for myself. But other than that, this should be the end of the C++ stuff. It took a long time and a lot of videos, but at least I learned a lot of the basics. As you can see, the stuff near the end where it got way more complicated, that kind of started to lose me a bit, but I just need more practice. Hopefully these videos will help me just be able to come back to and understand it later on. But beyond that, so far, again, just glad I was able to do it and at least learn something. So yeah, but that's really it. So myself and everybody else, see you in the next one.